I just joined the Color Line now back in August. I haven't been with the company that long. My former or previous experience was from the hotel business. Came from the Radisson Hotel Group. I am currently head of the whole hotel operation and food and beverage for our 7 vessels now. So just to give you a short description of Color Line, who we are, we have 4 transportation vessels. We have 2 cruise vessels and one for cargo. So basically we're working with 4 different ports, Norway, Sweden, Denmark and Germany. All in all, we transport about 3.9 million people a year. We're about 2,300 employees, so it's quite a large corporation. And also, I was mentioning transportation. We're quite big in transportation. We just now got a new cargo vessel just a few months ago. We are enhancing our environmental profile. We're launching a new vessel now in the summer. It's called the Color Hybrid, which will really strengthen our environmental footprint in that sense. I was mentioning food and beverage, which is a large part of our operation. It consists of about 20% of the revenue. Also, retail is big. We consider to be among the 5th biggest shopping mall in Norway, and also the biggest hotel in Norway. One of the vessels, we can host roughly about 2,900 passengers. I think now the change that we see is in general. I think the digitalization is going very, very rapidly. So just being at the forefront and being updated on all the future trends and so on, it's really a challenging position for Color Line. I think that looking at our client mix, we have a lot of elderly people, 60 plus, which is a huge segment for us, which is now transforming because the normal customer, as we see, being 60 is not really 60 anymore. They're more like 40 and 50. And with that comes definitely a different set of needs, which we need to now tailor-made. And I think we're in a transition now, which we really need to pick up on the pace. We need to have a look at digital solutions, which is really tailor-made for those needs. And I think that's where we are now in that little bridge going forward. Absolutely, and also with my role, I think a lot of my work is working towards creating memorable moments. So we have a huge focus also on the customer satisfaction, and within that also comes updated digital platforms and digital solutions to make that trip seamless. I think it's important when we look at the solutions from LS Retail. I think we need to look at solution which is really in contact with the industry. I think LS Retail has done a great job so far on the retail part, which is where your main experience comes from. But I also do now see a huge opportunity within the hotel industry. I think having a similar approach, which has been done in the cruise and the ferry industry, and I think we already come a long way. I think there's so many opportunities there, having that direction also towards the hotel industry. I think there lies huge opportunities there. I think for my sake, being part of the company for such a small amount of time, I think it has really given me some insights into LS Retail as a really valuable partner for Color Line. I think it's important also for me and my other colleagues from Color Line to meet that network within the same industry, to share the experiences among us, and also being updated also on the future trends, what lies ahead for the future. Because when it comes to digital solution, it's like fresh food and fresh ingredients. It really changes rapidly.